What's up, you guys? I'm back from my break, I guess you could call it. I haven't posted any videos just because I didn't want to. I didn't want to force myself to put up something or anything like that. As you can see, I got like shit on my bed because I did an unboxing video, but then that video fucked up somehow. So this isn't gonna be, like a proper unboxing. You're not gonna get my initial reaction to any of it. But I'd rather put something out than not. Since Supreme is coming back, Spring Summer 18 is coming. I want to get back into the uploading mood. Get back into the clothing stuff. And I guess I'll do the same thing that I wanted to do in the initial video. Let me start off with, as you can see, I got some shit to show you. I want to start off with these Supreme stuff really quickly. I have these right here. These are unopened. I want to sell these. I want to sell them either for retail or below retail. This fire tee in extra large. Supreme. This is the dog shit tee in medium. And then this is the small box logo zip up in like lime green. Not really lime, but like in a dark greenish. Moss. I don't know if you guys see the color very well. Yeah, as you can see, they're all in the original packaging. So if you want like a price, let me know. Hit me up. And I do want to sell this one as well. This is the Suicide Boys little anorak, I guess. Yeah, you can see the Suicide Boys, I guess logo. It's not really a logo, but it is. That makes sense. Yeah, you have the upside down Nike logo. This anorak, or I don't know what you would call it, anorak, or I'm gonna call it an anorak because I see it as an anorak, but you can see you have like a little pouch right here, a little zip up feet, a little zip up pouch, kangaroo pouch. It's not heavy and it's not super light. It's true to size. This one's an extra large if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's an extra large. True to size. And then on the back it says Suicide Boys, just in a bigger logo. It has the same on the front. And that's about that for the anorak. Yeah, so let me know if you guys would want anything right here in that pile. And then I did cop this. The FTP white hoodie with the Barney purple. Right there. Here you go. What? But yeah, this is it's kind of heavy, not too heavy. Not like a Supreme. Not Supreme heavy. You have the FTP in a larger font. And the Barney. That's that one. And I'll show you these really quickly. This is the Peep windbreaker. As you can see, it's what's the word? Restock, I guess. You can see you have the frown. You have the Peep show down on the sleeves for both. And then on the back you have a noose. Rest in peace, Peep. Really a shame. But yeah, this is really lightweight. I really like this one. True to size. You have like a little pouch right there, kangaroo pouch. But yeah, I really love this. I'm not gonna resell this one. This is like, I guess, a Grailed if you do love Peep. But yeah. And then this is just the black Suicide Boys anorak with the same. It's just the same with just black, all black on the back, same. And that's about it. And then this is the AK hoodie, I think it's called. It's in a winter camo, snow camo, white, black, gray. It's G59 on the front. This is actually embroidered, if you can see. I thought it was gonna be screen printed, but it's not. That's really cool. On the back, you have like these little box pictures of AKs and stuff. Yeah, this is screen printed. This isn't like a little patch or anything. It looks like patches, but it's not. It's just screen printed. And that's about it for the hoodie. Nothing else to it. Nothing on the hood. Nothing like that. And then the last thing on the Suicide Boys stuff, merch, whatever, drop, is this Riot face mask. As you can see, G59 Riot Crew. It's reversible, so on one side it's camo, and then on the other you have just all black with G59 Riot Crew in white. Yeah. But yeah, I like buying or collecting like accessories like this one because I think it's cool. I don't know, to me it's cool. Just to some, it's whatever. But yeah, like the back to school drop they did in 2017. They dropped pencils and then like a journal almost. I collected those too because I don't know, it's just really cool to me that they just did that. And then this is the from Palace, as you can see. This is the flat sack, I think it's called. Yeah, flat sack in black. It's just shoulder strap bag with I think 3 zippers. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 on the back. With the one sticker. I don't want to like buy too much shit from Palace. It's just because their prices are a little outrageous. You know, some of the shirts can be like expensive. Unlike Supreme. Supreme usually does their tees like 36 to like 40. And Palace, I think they do like 40 or 50. I'm not too sure. I could be wrong, but I can't really justify buying something like that. Even though I do buy Supreme shit, but I don't know. Palace just seems like way too much. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Since Supreme is coming once again, I'll see you then in like probably 2 more weeks. Just because I won't get stuff that I get from week 1 until the next following Thursday, which would be week 2. So it sucks that I get my shit from Supreme in like a week. I wish it would be like at least 4 days or 5, not entirely a week, but it is what it is, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.